Hello, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise of the week. I'm Dr. Julia Nielsen, founder of Kovo, which is short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This July has been Agility Month at Kovo, and we have been exploring agility from every angle, practicing fast scale patterns, rapid registration changes, tongue twisting articulation drills, and more. But one of our singers' favorite challenges this month has been an exercise that blends two different kinds of agility, staccati and turn-like figures that resemble grace notes. Both staccati and ornamental turns call for agility at the vocal cords, but in different ways. Staccato depends on rapid, well-coordinated closure and release of the vocal cords, adduction, bringing together, and abduction, moving apart, that must be clean and precisely timed. So I'm illustrating this action with my index fingers, which represent the vocal cords, coming together for each note and then releasing quickly without hesitation. Ah, 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 ah. Meanwhile, grace note type figures, including ornamental turns, call for agility of a more elastic kind, where the vocal cords have to shift their pitch through quick, precise changes in length and tension. When they have to do this at high speed, this gets a little tricky. If they don't make the adjustments cleanly and intentionally, the pitches smear or smudge. They sort of run together. So how are we going to practice these two types of vocal agility? That brings us to our vocal exercise of the week, staccati with a twist. So I know this looks really long, but it's just a pattern. It is a sequence. So listen to the ascending part of the pattern first. Go up a step, another step, come into the top. Let's try that really slowly, just the ascending part. Here we go. E, e, ah, ah, ah. 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 So let us try that just a little faster. E, e, ah, ah, ah. E, e, ah, ah, ah. E, e, ah, ah, ah. E, e, ah, ah. So, did you notice how the 16th notes started to feel a little giggly? That's actually helpful. The sensation of a light contained giggle can encourage the proper articulation of fast notes, as long as there aren't any strong ha ha ha, really strong H sounds interrupting the notes. So try giggling that rhythm with me like this. Listen. Almost like you're giggling under your breath. And now every time we come to that, e, e, you're going to see if you can find that gentle giggle feeling. So let's try the full ascending version one more time. E, e, ah, ah, ah. E, e, ah, ah, ah. E, e, ah, ah, ah. E, e, ah. Now we'll go on. As the exercise descends, the pattern is turned upside down. Let's try singing that together. We start up on the top note. Here we go. Oop, in case you couldn't find it, we're right there. Okay? Here we go. So let's try the full ascending and descending version. So starting at the beginning. Again in the next key. One more. Great job. So I invite you to play with this exercise in the coming week and experiment with getting your giggle on as you sing staccati and grace notes. If you've enjoyed this exercise, we've got more for you during July. All of the vocal exercises we sing during our general vocal workouts will focus on agility skills. We host these live general workouts twice a week on Zoom, and we would love to have you. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you would like the next vocal exercise of the week to show up in your email inbox, you can find out how in the description below. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is the key to your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.